Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. I've got another awesome video for you guys today, so stay tuned. Alright you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I know you guys will love this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. This is going to be a fun one because I'm talking today about a sound reducing sleep mask. So it is from Lister and from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. I'm going to go do an unboxing real quick here and see what it's all about. We're going to test it tonight and give you a full review tomorrow. Alright, so this is the box, and we're unboxing this right now. And what's in it? Ooh. So what just fell out, you guys? 2 ear plugs. Nice packaging. Okay. And what do we got? We've got, ooh, look at these guys. Nice soft earmuffs. Ooh, and a mask. That's gonna be nice for somebody tonight. And it comes with a mesh bag. Okay. So good travel, nice mesh bag. I'm gonna test this real quick here. I'm gonna put this on real quick.
Yeah.
So earmuffs.
Yeah, it's probably gonna pass fast.
Ooh, how does that look, you guys?
Yeah, it'll probably just pass.
Ooh.
I think it's probably gonna pass fast. Yes.
Noise canceling almost, you guys. Okay, I think somebody who wears this tonight is going to sleep very well. This is really nice. Good foam, plastic, hard rubber. It's very comfortable. No real odors, so it's really nice. And then with the earplugs, it's going to be even more sound reducing. All right, we're going to do a quick sleep tonight, and we'll give you guys a report tomorrow morning. All right, you guys, I just want to do a quick follow-up to the sleep mask earmuff set that I have been testing, and it's from Lister again, so that's the name. So I've been using it, and it definitely works. Let's just get off right off the bat. It definitely works. The blindfold part definitely is a good piece to cover the eyes and block out the light. That definitely is true. The earmuffs are really nice too. I have to say that they are soft. They do cover the ear. However, if there's one thing that I want to say that could be better is that these inside circles could be a little bit bigger because I have bigger ears. If you have smaller ears, it'd be no problem, but because I have bigger ears, they kind of get smushed in here and it kind of feels smashed. And it gets a little numbing, if you will. So that's the only issue with these earmuffs. But if you have smaller ears, like I said, there's no problems. I slept with it several times just to adjust it and see if it would affect my ears, and every time it has. But beyond that, I mean, if you have smaller ears, like I said, you shouldn't have any problems. I do recommend this if you're traveling and you're doing for short trips, for example, like an hour or two. They're really good. Any longer than that, I guess, because of my big ears, again, I have to say they do give it a little bit of a numbing sensation. But in general, I think these ear masks, the mask and the ear muffs and the eye mask here do work very well. Now, in conjunction with these earplugs, I think they do cancel out the noise pretty well. And so I would say get this set if you are looking for something to block out the light and some noise. So that's my recommendation and my review. So if you guys like this video, remember to smash the like button, subscribe button, and notification button so you can get future videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.